Hi, this is Clay again from Lake Charles Toyota, and I'm here with our tech specialist, Jessica.
Hi.
We are sitting inside of her 2019 Corolla Hatchback XSE, and we want to go over a much-needed additional feature that Toyota recently added to their vehicles.
What we are actually going to go over today is Apple CarPlay. You're going to need a charging cable for Apple CarPlay. And you're also going to need to locate your smart USB, your USB that communicates with your head unit. If you can find the USB port that has the auxiliary port with it, that is your smart USB port. Any other USB port in the vehicle is just a charging port, so make sure it's plugged into that one. You're going to need to take your cable, and you're going to need to plug it into your phone. Now, before you do that, you need to go to your menu, Setup, and right here under General, you'll see Apple CarPlay. Make sure that is turned on, so that when you do plug it in, your screen will start to look like this. Now, the first time that you plug it in on your phone, you are going to get a message asking to allow Apple CarPlay while your phone is locked. You allow it, it will move to this screen. When you click this Apple CarPlay right here, your screen's going to start looking very familiar if you have an iPhone. You're going to have your phone calls, your contacts, your texts, your maps, your audiobooks, your podcasts, your music, the whole nine right here at your fingertips. Is actually going to use the cable to mirror everything that your phone can do up onto the screen. Now, you can't watch videos, none of that, but you can make phone calls, change your music, have an active moving map up onto your screen, all the fancy jazz that you want. And this is in almost all of our cars right now and our RAV4s. So
it will be in all of the 2020 models. It is in almost all of the 2019 models. If you're in the Intune 3.0 touchscreen system.
Right.
You can find the complete list of Apple CarPlay compatible apps online. Like Jessica said, you're not going to see things like YouTube and things like playing videos because it doesn't want to distract you from actually driving in the vehicle.
Right.
All of these are made to give you a better driving experience and keep you better connected to the car through your phone.
Right.
The Bluetooth is disconnected whenever your Apple CarPlay is on.
Right.
Because you can still do your phone calls, you can still have your texts, things like that. It's just ran through the cable.
Right.
Whenever you disconnect the phone, it will reconnect the Bluetooth and make you wireless once again. Is anything else we can think of with that?
No, that's all I can think of.
All right, well, that is our little demonstration on Apple CarPlay. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or if there's anything you want us to talk about, please let us know. Thanks for watching.